Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do a magic ring. To start off, you're going to take your 2 fingers and wrap your yarn around it, like so. You're going to insert your hook on the back half, under, over, and pull the loop up, just like you're going to make a slip knot. And then, from here, we're going to pull up a loop right there and pull it through. And then you can take your fingers out of the circle, and there you have it. You have your magic ring. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to use the same items I'm using, check out the links below. So let's do this again. So we're going to wrap it around our 2 fingers and make an X on the top. Now you're going to take your hook on the back half of the X, go under, over, and pull it up. And then pull up a loop from there. In a previous video, I showed how to do a slip knot. So if you have not watched that, I would recommend you watch that first. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a good evening. Bye!